When an interviewer asks, "How do you choose the right evaluation metric?" they're not just checking if you know what accuracy or recall means. They're assessing whether you can connect model performance to business goals. Here's how to structure your answer. Step 1. Understand the business goal. What matters most for this project? Revenue, customer satisfaction, or risk reduction? Your metric must reflect what success looks like for the business. Step 2. Consider class distribution. If your data is imbalanced, accuracy alone can be misleading. For example, in a fraud detection model where only 1% of transactions are fraudulent, a model predicting no fraud every time could still show 99% accuracy but be useless. Step 3. Evaluate error costs. Are false positives or false negatives more expensive? In a medical setting, missing a cancer case is far worse than a false alarm. That's why you'd focus on recall, not accuracy. Step 4. Align with stakeholders. Choose metrics that decision makers can understand, like precision for quality, recall for coverage, or RMSE for prediction accuracy. A good candidate always links metrics back to business value, not just model math. Now let's make this real with a few examples. In medical diagnosis, like cancer detection, the cost of a false negative is extremely high. You'd use recall because catching every positive case matters more than a few false alarms. For a spam email filter, it's the opposite. Marking a real email as spam frustrates users more than letting a few spam messages through. So here, precision is your priority. In credit card fraud detection, you need to balance both, catching as many fraudulent cases as possible while avoiding too many false alerts that annoy genuine customers. That's where F1 score, or precision, recall AUC works best. And for customer lifetime value prediction, which is a regression problem, you'd use RMSE or MAE, metrics that measure error in the same units as the target value, like dollars or time. Here's the interview tip. Always explain why you chose that metric. Tie it back to the business outcome, not just the model type. That's what separates a technical data scientist from a strategic one who truly understands impact.